Hi guys, this is Umara.
And I'm Kashaf.
And currently we're working as fashion content creators. So it was like a very hard time communicating with the brands as well because it was a very new concept back then. The fashion content creation itself was like evolving. In fact, it was, I would call it like an era jahan ke upar it was like a baby industry to us. So we're just growing and इतना कोई concept नहीं होता था collaborations का. So we had to convince brands a lot for the collaborations. Right now, I think a lot of people are into digital marketing right now. It's a lot more easier to put your message out there when you're dropping proposal for the collaborations. So I think it has evolved a lot till now.
I guess because brands are also seeing the fact that the influencer marketing, the sort of impact that it holds onto the audience, so they are more open towards collaboration with influencers now.
Back then it used to be very difficult.
Yeah, it was very tough.
I think we need to learn more about professionalism in terms of when we are doing the date commitments, then the payment procedures, and then like a proper structured briefs and all. I think there's always a room of improvement. Yet we do have like a lot of good things that we can always talk about fashion industry as well.
And I guess one brief does not work for all the content creators.
There's a lot of diversity that is required in the industry as well. Yeah. Since we've always been doing desi fashion, so I really love to represent my country and how diverse our culture and fashion is internationally. So that would be my eventually end goal.
And for me, I guess the fact that we have been doing the fashion videos, तो मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है that I would really like to introduce the concept of sustainable fashion to my audience. We've done it multiple times into our videos. We've styled one outfits into a lot of ways, and how the fashion industry, you know, should produce products या फिर outfits that are more sustainable. So I guess that's one of my goals.
And I would also like to put forward the concept of accessibility for everyone. There should be, you know, a lot of things for everyone out there, so everyone could approach those things. Whatever their range is, whatever their socio-economic background is, I really want the fashion to be accessible to everyone.
Yeah.